This video, I'll show you how to change the background in Photopea step by step in 2026. Whether you're creating product photos, YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, or professional portraits, Photopea makes it easy to replace any background. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Photopea. Click Open from Computer * and select the image you want to edit. Once your image loads, unlock the background layer if it's locked by clicking the lock icon in the Layers panel. Next, separate your subject from the background. Use the * Quick Selection tool **, Magic Wand tool **, or Object Selection tool ** to select the main subject. After making the selection, use *select ** and refine edge * to smooth the edges and improve the selection, especially around hair or detailed areas. Now create a * layer mask * to hide the original background. Using a layer mask is recommended because it's non-destructive, meaning you can make changes later without losing your original image. To add a new background, drag and drop another image into Photopea or create a solid color or gradient background. Move the new background layer below your subject in the Layers panel. Then resize and reposition it so it fits perfectly behind your subject. If needed, adjust the brightness, colors, shadows, and contrast so your subject blends naturally with the new background. Small adjustments can make the final image look much more realistic and professional. Once you're happy with the result, click ***, File ***, choose ***, Export as ***, and select **JPG** or PNG***. Adjust the quality settings if needed, then save the finished image to your computer. That's how to change the background in Photopea in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications